In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a bar chart in Google Sheets. To get started, you'll first need to open Google Sheets in your web browser and navigate to the spreadsheet where your data is stored, or simply create a new one if you haven't already. Once you have your data ready, select the cells containing the data you wish to include in your bar chart. This could be a list of items accompanied by their respective values, such as sales figures for different products, monthly expenses, or anything else you'd like to visualize. With your data selected, head over to the Insert menu in the top navigation bar. A drop-down list will appear with several options for you to choose from. Among these options, you'll find Chart. Click on this option to initiate the chart creation process. Once you click on Chart, a chart editor will appear on the right side of your screen. Here, Google Sheets will typically suggest a chart type based on the data structure you've highlighted. If it doesn't automatically suggest a bar chart, or if the suggestion doesn't match your needs, don't worry. Simply click on the Chart Type drop-down menu and scroll through the options until you find Bar Chart. Selecting this will transform the default chart into a bar chart. Now, let's customize the chart to better fit your needs, enhancing its readability and aesthetic. Click on the Customize tab within the chart editor. Here you'll find a variety of options to tweak your chart. For example, you can adjust the chart title if the default one isn't descriptive enough. Simply click into the Chart and Axis Titles section, where you can edit the title text to reflect precisely what your data represents. You can also customize the axes, altering labels to be more informative or visually adjust the colors to suit your style or branding needs. Under the Legend section, you can modify where your legend appears, helping avoid any overlap with the data bars. If you'd like the bars to appear different colors, navigate to the Series section. This is where you can change color aspects and even apply data labels directly on your bars, making it convenient to see values at a glance. Once you're satisfied with your chart's look and feel, you can simply click anywhere outside the chart editor panel to close it. Now, your bar chart is embedded directly within your spreadsheet, ready to be shared, printed, or further edited as your data changes. And that's it. You've successfully created a dynamic and informative bar chart using Google Sheets. This powerful tool allows you to easily present and analyze data, making your reports and presentations incredibly effective. Thank you for joining me today, and see you in the next video.